Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Max Polynomial example 15 in this video. The question is factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. We need to factorize this by factor theorem method. For that there is no division, so we can't guess anything. Take the constant term. If there is no coefficient between the degree, that is x cube, you need to take the constant term. We need to find the factors of 120. The factors of 120 are 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 4 into 30, then 6, even 5 it goes, so 5 into 24, 6 into 20, yeah, already we have, okay, it's 2 into 60, this is 6 into 20, 8 into 15, 10 into 12, I think that's all. So these are the factors of 120. So factors of 120 are, this can be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, all this number, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 15, plus or minus 20, plus or minus 12, plus or minus 30, plus or minus 40, plus or minus 60, and plus or minus 120. These are the factors of minus 120. We can't do with all the numbers. Always take the first one and the first one or the second one or the third one. You will get the value in the first three things. So take plus or minus 1 first. Now I am going to take, let p of x is equal to the given polynomial, that is x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. I am going to take plus 1 instead of x. I am going to take plus 1 first. So if I take plus 1, I get, you will get, for 1 you will get all the coefficients, so no need to multiply or cube anything. Just write the coefficients. Here this becomes 143. If I add it, this becomes 143. Here it becomes 143. This is equal to 0. So the first itself I got the term is equal to 0. This means that x is equal to 1. X is equal to the given value. If x is equal to 1, bring this number to the other side to find the factor. So x minus 1 is a factor. Here x minus 1 is a factor. So I got one factor. How many factors we need to find for this polynomial? For that, see the degree. Here the degree is 3. So we need to find 3 factors. The degree will tell you how many factors are there in the polynomial. Here the degree is 3. The highest power is 3. So the factors are 3 factors you need to find. We have found 1. When you find 1, just divide the given polynomial with the factor, that is x cube minus 2x 23x square plus 142x minus 120. I am going to divide this with x minus 1. X into what gives you x cube? X into x square. When I add the power, I get x cube, so it is x cube. This, multiply this with this to get this. Now multiply this to plus into minus, minus 1 into x square will be x square. I need to subtract, so change the sign. This get cancelled and here it becomes plus minus, so I need to subtract with the greater number sign. Now bring this number down, minus 142x. Now multiply something to get this. So plus into minus, minus 1 into 22, you get 22, x into x, you get x square. Now multiply these two terms, minus into minus will become plus 22x. change the sign for subtraction. This get cancelled. Here it becomes 164. Here it is plus 142. I have written it as minus. No, it is plus 142. If I need to subtract because of plus minus, if I subtract, I get 120x. Now bring the next number down. It becomes minus 120. Now plus into minus, you get minus. X into 120, it becomes 120 with the greater number sign plus. So here it is plus 120x. Now plus into minus, minus 120. Now change the sign. Here this both get cancelled and become 0. As it is a factor, you need to get 0. If not, you have done something wrong. So now I got x square minus 22x as a quotient. You need to do splitting the middle term to factorize this. So 120, I need to split to get 22. Already I have done this. You check it here. You need to get 22 here. 10 into 12 is 120. So I can write this to be minus 10x minus 12x. Instead of 22, we are just splitting the middle term. Now take a common outside. The common is x in both the term. X is there, so I am taking it out. There is another x inside, minus 10. As x comes out, minus 10 is here. Write the bracket first, then think of the number what can be written outside. Here x is there, minus 12 is not there, so I am writing minus 12. Now you check, plus into minus, minus 12 into x is 12. Here minus into minus will become plus. 12 tens are 120. Write the same element bracket in one bracket and the outer one in another bracket. So these two are the factors. We can also join the third factor, that is x minus 1 is a factor. Always in the final answer give all the three factors as the answer, only then you will get full marks. So I have written 3 factors for the given polynomial. As the power is 3, the degree is 3, we need to show 3 factors. That's all with the sum. Thank you.